Hey, what's up, y'all? I got your My Market update. It's my update, it's not yours. You know, I got to say that at the beginning of every video in case people trying to do some backlash or some pushbacks, man. Um, this is the update of my portfolio, the stocks that I am trading. I am a cash flow monthly dividend investor. I do invest in quarterly stocks also, but bills due every 30 days, so I like monthly. I favor them, shall I say. Buy quarterly stocks at a dip also. All right. Urgent, HRZN. For y'all that trade Horizon Technology, y'all know this stock went down to $9.30. It had bad earnings on yesterday, so that is the reason for. I think it bounced back to about 984. I think it closed today at 9663. I'm buying the dips. What am I doing about it? I'm buying 2 shares a day at the daily low. The daily low today was 930, so I put about order in for 2 shares at 930, but I did dollar cost average good today. I brought some at the lower like 944. So got some of it. Took a PSEC, Prospect Capital. Got down to $5.15 today. I brought 50 shares today at 520 at a buy order. So 520 and under, I'm a dollar cost average down in it. This will go back above the $6 range. It usually hangs around the 530ish. Pays 6 cents a share a month. Also Horizon Technology pays 11 cents a share a month. Forgot to mention that. We got ticker OXSQ, also Square Capital. Trade sideways about the last 2 weeks between $2.88 and $2.90. They got up to $2.91 a day. Got a high 52-week high, thinking like $3.29. So at 10.90 and under, I'm buying 2 shares a day. I will be swing trading this. Got a dividend yield about 14.5 or 13.5% yield. Pays a dividend of 3.5 cents a share a month. So for that reason, it is a buy. It is also buy and hold. It does pay a consistent 3.5 cents a share dividend. Don't expect no dividend growth, no dividend rate hike in the future. If not, you're gonna be probably getting paid this forever. But it's in buy range, 2 shares a day. Put a buy order in $2.88. All right, AMDY cover call, yield max cover calls on AMD. I buy this at $13 and under. Got down to $12.88 today. I think I added like 3 shares on. Put a buy order in at $12.88. I brought some shares at $12.92. Then it came down to $12.88 and went back up above the $13 range. So I am buying 2 shares a day to lower my average cost and accumulate. Whatever I buy between now, whatever I add on between now and the ex-dividend date again, to get above probably $14 range again, I'm probably going to sell. Remember, what I add on, not what I already have. What I already have, I'm going to keep. But what I add on, I'm going to sell just to lower my average cost. They got an average cost in the $14 range, so I want to bring it down. That's why I'm going to buy 2 shares a day at the 13 and under price. When they get around at $14, 14 and under, it's gonna go up. So when I'm up about 75 cents, the $1.25 a share on the stocks that I'm buying, that I'm adding on, I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna keep my remaining stocks and get the dividend. Rinse and repeat. And the only time I'm gonna add on stocks and keep them is when I get my average cost down to where I want it. I'm just cleaning up my position, I like to call it. Ticker KLIP, cover calls on China crane shells, $12 and under. That is the buy. Got down 11.34 today. I brought some at 11.55, 11.46, and 11.37. So I added some shares on. I'm gonna sell them when they get about $12.20. Like I said, the shares that I add on, I'm gonna sell. The shares I already got, I'm gonna keep. I got like 202 shares I'm gonna keep. And if between now and the ex-dividend date, if I get another 75 shares, I'm going to sell them. And I'm going to do the same thing, rinse and repeat every month till I get my average cost down about 11.50, and then I buy them and keep them. USOI, cover calls on oil, crude oil. They got down in the lower, I think $62 62 cents it did. I brought some and I sold it, made $1 a share. The reason I did it was to lower my average cost, rinse and repeat. This right now playing between the 62, say 62.16, the $65 range. So I'm just lowering my average cost. They had average cost right now about $75. I want to get it below 70. But does pay nice monthly dividend. Ybit, Ybit. Cover calls on Bitcoin. I just bought a fractional share, $3 worth today. Didn't want to load up on it. It's also a Yield Max ETF. We're gonna go to ticker ORC, Orchid Island Capital. I think they got down to 786 today. It went up to 79-ish. Remember, today was the ex-dividend. Tomorrow's the ex-dividend date, so you had to have your shares in today. So I expect this to fall tomorrow. When it falls, I'm gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna pick it up hard. In my Webull portfolio, I think I got 2,525 shares at an average cost of $8.77. I want to say I want to get it down around by $8, at least $8.25. So that's why I'm gonna do it. I've been buying it and selling it, making small profits. I got unlimited trades in my Webull portfolio. That's one great thing about them. And I don't have no Moo, but I heard that Moo does the same. You can have unlimited trades. Charge Point, ticker CHPT, got down $1.25. That's a growth stock, long-term hold. You can trade it. People trade it every day. That's trading sideways right now between $1.21 and $1.24 to about $1.32, staying in that range. This is accumulation stage of that. Another one is ticker KHC, Kraft Heinz Clark. That's in the buy range too. I think it was like 30. It's under $34. So it is that. You get dollar cost average into it. I buy it when it's 34 and under. I think my average cost is like $32.70. So it's below my buy range. So I add on a couple shares of that too. Yeah, man, and for y'all that do have this stock, ticker GORO. Y'all know I'm a swing trade that. They got down to 14 cents, accumulation stage. A lot of people sold and got out, panic sell. When they sold, I brought. So I'm gonna keep it. I'm a swing trade it, making small gains in it, and probably trade myself up out of. Once I get up out of, I'm not gonna deal with it anymore. Got some other places other dividend stocks I can trade and that I know the pattern of, and if I do get stuck, at least I get a dividend. That's it, man. Gonna let y'all go. Also look out for ticker INTC, which is Intel. When it goes below that $22 range, you might want to start accumulating. Signing off. Go get your money.